Oh, I love this question from Cora. What right does anyone have to trademark a basic common word and tell anyone else that they cannot use it in their business name? In this case, the word is road, which is in the title of our business name, and roads is in theirs. My name is Andre Minkoff. I'm the founder of Trademark Factory. On this channel, I've answered hundreds of questions just like this one. And if you're interested in my opinion or just to learn about brands, trademarks, entrepreneurship, intellectual property, make sure you subscribe and get notified whenever the next video goes live. And if you got a question for me, post a comment below and I'll answer your question in a video just like this one. So going back to this question, what right does anyone have to trademark a basic common word, road versus roads? Well, here's my answer to this question. Anyone can trademark basic common words because trademarking is not about unique words, unique phrases, unique designs. Trademarks are about unique identifiers for products and services, and there's a huge difference there. You're not required to come up with fully original words. Like, think about it. One of the most valuable brands out there, Apple. What could be more common than that? But the word Apple uniquely identifies their brand for phones, for computers, for music, right? Because they're not selling apples. So as long as your company is not in a road construction business, and as long as the other company is not in the road construction business, then road does not define what you do. Then it could be a word that's trademarkable. And if they had trademarked it first and they're in the same space as you are, then not only do they have the right to trademark their brand, not only do they have the right to enforce their trademark against you using it without their permission, they'd be crazy not to, because that's the whole idea for trademarking brands, that you are given the monopoly over the use of your brand and you have the exclusive right to it, and you have the right and almost an obligation to defend it against anybody else who uses the same brand without your permission. You have to do that, because otherwise, if everyone sees that you are allowing others to use your brand without your permission, they're diluting your brand, they're killing the value of your brand, they're killing the value of your trademark. At some point, you will lose the ability to enforce your brand against others. So, again, I don't know exactly what they trademarked. I don't know exactly what your name is, because you say the word road is part of theirs and yours. Again, being part of something is vague, right? Depending on how dominant that word is in the whole brand for them and for you. Also, how similar the products and services are that they offer, that you offer. Maybe they're right, maybe they're wrong, but to go back to your point, perfectly okay to trademark dictionary, common words, perfectly okay to enforce them against those who use the same or similar brand in connection with same or similar products and services. They're doing what they're supposed to be doing, and if you are not sure, this is probably something that you should discuss with your attorneys. Now, one last point before I call it a day with this video. if you start a business and you give it a name, it's your responsibility as the business owner to make sure that that's the name you can own. And then the next step is for you to actually make sure that you own the name, because guess what? What is the most important thing to make your brand a success? The most important thing to make your brand a success is to make sure that it's your brand. Because if it's not your brand, you can never make your brand a success because it's not your brand. And the way to do it is with a trademark. So Trademark Factory, that's what we do. We help business owners protect their brands. If you came up with a name and you want to see if it's trademarkable, go book a call with our strategy advisors. The call is free. Go to trademarkfactory.com/call, or just go to the homepage, and the first big button you're going to see is to book a free call with our strategy advisors. Do that, and we'll take it from there. If you like this video, if you found it useful, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment below if you've got a comment, if you've got a question. And until then, I will see you in the next video.